Welcome to Midday. We want to understand your perspective of green environment focus in the elections in Mumbai. What is your focus in Mumbai?
First of all, I will start with my introduction. My name is Dr. Hira Lal. I am 2009 batch UP cadre IS officer.
Okay.
Here in Maharashtra Assembly election, I have been allotted to Assembly as a general observer. 172 Anushakti Nagar and 173 Chembur. So regarding the green election, actually our Election Commission of India directs the poll official that elections should be conducted free, fair, transparent, peaceful and eco-friendly. So the word eco-friendly is somewhat difficult to understand by the general masses. So we have renamed the eco-friendly to green elections.
Okay.
In green election concept, we define it like this: we are doing actions and activity, extra action and activity due to elections.
Okay.
If this election would have been not in the picture, that action and activity would have been not in the action. So due to extra actions and activity due to election, we are generating green gases. So this green gas generation due to election action and activity is deteriorating our climate situation. So there is two solutions of it. One is use biodegradable material so that carbon footprint production is reduced. One thing. So we are promoting, we are convincing whole ecosystem associated with the election that use biodegradable material. One thing. Second thing, whatever carbon is generated, we need to neutralize it, kill it. So we are requesting with the voters, public masses, that on the auspicious occasion of voting, please plant a tree in a park so that the green gas generated can be neutralized by the plants.
This green election concept is your original concept, and that has become a slowly national template. So how would you guide others to replicate it in the other states? And what is your inspiration basically? How did it start with you?
Actually, I am very much concerned at personal level with the climate change. I used to write many things about the climate change. So I have a vision and I have a feel that climate change is devastating. We all of us in different ways, but we do not have realization of that. And that is a very dangerous situation. Until and unless we will realize it, we will not take any precautions. So deterioration is going on. Climate but we still not taking the precautions. We are not making the efforts to curtail the climatic change or reduce the climate change. So this mindset was
your inspiration?
Is inspiration, and I read the guideline of the Election Commission, and last word is the eco-friendly.
So you inserted that into...
that is. So before starting green election, in my earlier observership in Punjab, in 6 Anandpur Sahib Parliamentary, I researched also. So there was a court case in Tamil Nadu or in South states. So they directed that you try to conduct climate. So one district magistrate has done some work to conduct a climate election or green election. But we have done in parliament election in Ropar in a very systematic, in a very organized, in a designed way. And what we did, how we did, we have documented that in this booklet. It is a 60-page booklet, that is the green election. So this I am trying to replicate here in 172 Anushakti Nagar and 173 Chembur.
So something small about your 18-point program, which is a very interesting one.
Yes. So
brief guide me.
So to conduct election and to achieve the main aim, our two aims are main aims. That is how to enhance the voting percentage and how to conduct green elections. So we have two fronts. On one front, challenge is how to bring the voters on the booth on the 20th November on the polling day, so that no voter should left behind. First challenge. Second challenge is how to conduct green election. So regarding green election already I have explained, but regarding the increasing the voting percentage, we have made a 10-point simple SOP. And that SOP has been prepared by not by me but by my sweep officials. Okay. So in this SOP, what to do, how to do, and what to achieve. In a very simple words, these are 10 points. For example, first point is cultural activity involvement. So in sweep, we are using cultural activity because that connects strongly, that inspires strongly, that pulls strongly. So that experiment already I have done as DO, as RO in 2019 election in district Bada. And I had increased in that election voting percentage by more than 10.5%. So that experience also I am using here. So that cultural activity involvement I have taken from my past experience in Bada. And celebrity involvement, so that they should appeal. That is the second. So in the area, whoever is celebrity does not mean only actors and filmmakers. Celebrity, Padam Shri, anybody is good, renowned person and doing different, whom people are hearing, that is celebrity for us. Okay. Meeting in schools and colleges. We are going targeting schools and colleges and discussing this issue with the students and teachers, so that they should associate with this our campaign. And in the morning we are going in the parks. So we are
morning walkers.
Yes, morning walkers. I have visited 8 parks. Okay. One day in the Anusakti Park.
What do we tell them? That should come?
Yes. My sweep fellow will be there, I'll be there, and we used to discuss with the morning walkers. We are here.
Process to.
We are here to tell you on 20th voting, you vote, you promote voting, and not only you vote, you inspire your relative, your neighbor, and your relations to inspire. So that is also a new experiment.
Connecting with the people.
Connecting with the people in the morning walk to motivate them, to inspire them to vote. Okay. And one more new idea which I have not done in my earlier 2 experiments in Bada 2019 and 2024. I have selected schools. Okay. All schools, primary, secondary and higher. Okay. Each teacher will select one student, and that student will be given a script what is the benefits of voting.
He is the ambassador of the.
So what they will do, the student in their house will convince parents and their family members that you should go and vote because of these benefits. So that, and a video will be made, and that video will be circulated. So that will be a emotional appeal by the kids, and that emotional appeal will bring good results. Likewise, this target I have given to all BLOs. We have 262 BLOs in Anusakti Nagar and 290 BLOs in Chembur. So they have been asked that you also make one video like this. So already video making is in progress and they are circulating. So that is a new innovation. So likewise, and one interesting point, initially I told the BLO that you list 10 pain points why people are not coming to vote. What are 10 reasons? What are 10 pain points? So they...
The interesting thing that you can...
Yes. So 10 points each BLO wrote in handwriting and gave to me. So they did the diagnosis that way. I told
So
them
they
that
thought about it and
I told them that you go and diagnose what are 10 important problems, because of that people are not coming to vote. So, and they have given me that 10 points on a single page in their own handwriting. I have two bunch, 262 page, 290 page, two pages. And after that, I told them that you list 20 social workers in your booth area. Who is social worker? Social, if there is a washerman, so he
who has a network of things.
The points where people are coming, grocery, repair shop, social leaders, your community
People
leaders,
approach.
your professional leaders. So they have made a list. They have made a list of 20 such peoples. They can make more than 20, but at least
Minimum
20.
20.
And they have to win the trust of those 20 by meeting, requesting, convincing time and again, so that BLO along with these 20, these social leaders can bring out the voters on the voting day, because all 20 has the pool of the connects,
Power of the network.
power of the network, so that network can be persuaded through that social leader. That is also a new approach over here.
Nice.
So likewise we have 18 points, and that is circulated to RBLO, to ARD officials. That is open document.
Nice.
So this is, we have named it innovative election, green election, action plan and monitoring chart. And date wise we are monitoring what is happening in each column. So both my RO, returning officer, Anusakti Nagaran, and sweep team are working on it. For example, today I have visited by now 4 meetings. I went to RCF office. In their meeting hall, all the top management, 50 people, including CMD, I discussed and motivated that they should inspire and motivate the voters working under them to bring out the vote. Bring out to vote himself as well as relations.
Numbers will increase.
Yeah. Likewise, then I went in the orphan house to discuss over there. Then I attended the training.
See, these are main hubs of people who vote.
Now around 500 poll officials are taking training. I went there and I discussed this issue that your responsibility is not only to conduct poll on polling day. Your duty is to increase polling percentage and increase
council
the
people,
and green election. So from today itself, like me,
the duty begins now.
Make efforts to increase. Similar concept I told them. So they agreed. They get motivated that someone in a position of observer is requesting to increase, to conduct. So
it's a
they
competition.
inspired. Yes.
But that's it. I think these are all the things.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.